There are many reasons why we need to create a Microsoft account. For example, you need to create an account for installing Windows 11, activating Microsoft Office, and downloading any module from Microsoft. So now I will show you how to create Microsoft account easily. For that, we need to go a browser and write the search option accounts.microsoft.com and enter. You see here, you can sign up from here, or you can click here, write here your selected mail, but you remember that you will not write here Gmail or Yahoo because there are no module of Microsoft. For that, you will write here, instead of Gmail or Yahoo, you will write Hotmail or Outlook. Put in password and next. If you want to verify the mail, click on the phone number above, enter your mobile number here. A code will be sent to your mobile. If you don't want to verify, click on the option below. No need to verify. For that, I will click the below option and next. If the mail is very important, provide a recovery mail or phone number. Otherwise, cancel it. I will cancel it because it is not important for me. The mail is created. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.